Welcome to my channel. So, in recent times, people have become very worried about climate change and disruptions in food supply chains and things of that nature. One of the least expensive, longest term solutions that homeowners can do to reduce their use of energy in their home and to reduce their cost of living while improving their standard of living and improving the environment they live in is to insulate their houses to the maximum that they can. This means that they may have to retrofit their walls, or they may have to change their heating and cooling system. Yet what needs to be understood is that increasing the resistance value of their insulation from something small like R6 to R13, and from R13 to R19, and R19 to R30, the R value equals resistance, and the number is the number of hours for 1 degree of change from outside to inside or inside to outside. So we need the resistance value to go up in homes. That way we don't have to heat and cool homes as often using fuels or electricity. The same is to be said for any project that requires thermal insulation. Thermal insulation is the least expensive, longest term solution to reduce thermal changes, which reduces the use of energy to adapt those areas to something more comfortable. It moderates the spikes in temperature and climate. When you reduce the amount of fuel that the building uses, the envelope of the building uses, then you reduce your costs. If that doesn't make sense, then go to a scientist, any scientist, anywhere that works in thermal energy, and you ask them what the resolution to the energy spikes or use is. And if they don't give you changing your R value in your house, the resistance value of the insulation in your house, go find another scientist. It is the least expensive, longest term return on investment that homes can do. The next one is building homes that don't fall down and burn and degrade over time. And that means we got to go to technologies like monolithic concrete structures. We also need to go to buried homes, and we need to go to homes that are underground. Anything to reduce the spikes in climate will reduce your cost of energy. Some of these are extremely expensive to do. Some of them are extremely cheap to do. The least expensive for a stick house, a standard model California to New York stick house in America, and I don't know what other country uses stick houses besides us in America, the simplest thing to do is to increase the insulation value. Change the wall thickness, increase the insulation value, reduce your cost of living. If you have thoughts on this, leave them in the comments below. If you have better insights on energy saving, leave them in the comments below. This is a discussion, and it should be thought out and thought through. But if you can find a better way, then I want to know about it. Have a great day.